Okay, hey guys, this is Slender Child, and today I'm playing Happy Wheels. What is wrong with this game? Why is that spinning around randomly? Who gives the crap? YOLO. I'm sorry about the quality, by the way. I've about hypercam. I don't like hypercam. Right, this game is crap. So, right. Click restart. I honestly need one. Okay. Let's just focus in. Okay, let's go. I can't actually see past my iPad. So let's go on. I like these spare things and stuff. Oh crap, it's getting hard to play with. Okay, right. So, sorry. Okay. Nah. Nah. Oh, what you gonna do? What you gonna do? Oh. Oh, you mad? Because I certainly am. Oh, you're gonna die. You're gonna die. You're dead. Yep, she's dead. Okay, that was a rather good level. As you can see. Oh, there was another that I didn't see. But I killed him anyway. He's got space to the eye. Okay, let's just scroll down. Uh, 100% possible. Doubt that. Do I say that? But it's never possible. Okay. So, what have I got to do? I don't understand. What do I do? Do I throw the kids? Or do I just dance around? Dun, 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 dun. Nope, I'm stuck. Don't understand. Kill children. Oh, that's not very nice. That's the nicest thing I've ever heard. Maybe it is. Yeah. Oh, pogo. Pogo. It's a pogo. I wonder what I have to use. Okay. That wasn't me. I wonder if it'll fit in the coin flip. No, it won't. I know it's an iPad mini, but don't talk to me. It's gonna fall. It's not. No! Oh, come on, man. Come on. Ow! Come on, man. You know. Okay. Oh. Okay, it should be kind of stable though. No! Damn you, Rochelle. Did you bring this on? Oh! No! Oh! Damn you, Rochelle. I'm boing. No. Oh, you serious? That. Maybe if I do a backward row. This isn't working. No. Hey, you can kind of see the screen like this. Well, you can kind of see the bit you need to see. Let's go on. Little bottle run. Let's roll. Whoa! Oh, what? I actually won that much. I died. You get too much of the. All you won. Alright. Oh, look. A ball throw. Can't even. Oh, whoa, whoa, hello. No! I bet I could actually. If I do that again. Damn it! Here comes the elf. I guess, yeah, it's an elf, but die. Oh, yeah, I can't stop him from killing me. Oh, yay. You saw that, girl? You saw that? You see it? You see it? You see it? Okay. First bottle run. In other words, I can beat it. Right, that went well. Oh god. Nope, went well again. No! That wasn't. What was that? I've never done a screen like that before. No, no, no. Serious face. I need to put my serious face on, but I just can't. It just doesn't want to come to me today. Oh my god. You couldn't have picked the... You're not meant to smash. Why are you doing this? Please stop. No, didn't work. Nope, I'm not even gonna do that. Gravity test. Go, go, go. Justin Bieber. Oh, that's a nice gravity test. Easy. Oh! Oh! What happened? Medium. Oh, jeez! Okay, I can do this. Justin Bieber. Easy. Medium. Ah. He's humping the floor. Okay. Hard. No! I need a better thing. Okay. Maybe if I... No. Ah! Right. Nah. Right. Justin Bieber. Nope. 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 You're doing good. You're doing good. You're doing good. Yes! Yes! I made it without my son. Okay, that's pretty good. Roller coaster. Let's do this. Oh. Oh, God. Oh, Indiana Jones. Oh, what the hell? Okay, I just skipped. Oh. Oh, well. Ah. I was going to do it with no head. No. Hold on. What are you playing at? Whoa, hello. Chilling with no arms. I can ride my minecart with no hands. Just hands, not handlebars. I'm a one-man roller coaster. Literally one man. Oh! Oh! Try me! 1000% impossible. Okay. Let's go. I can ride my bike with no handlebars. With no handlebars. Oh. My head just got flown off. Oh, I was going to exit that. Tell you what, I'm going to try it with him. Because I'm sexy like that. Okay. On my screen it looks dead dark. I'm not sure if it will be, but oh, probably might be because I'm looking down at it. Damn, I need to time it right. Maybe if I go Santa, because I can fly up. No. Come on, slaves. They'll shoot them first. Yes, come on, I can do this. Oh. Stop! Sorry, what? Who said that? Danger everywhere. I don't believe you. Watch out for the falling rock. Ah! It's possible to win. Okay. I bet it is. Oh, jeez, I keep forgetting there's a falling rock. I can do this. Oh, jeez. Oh! No matter! I've got... Oh. Okay, maybe... That didn't work. Haha, what if I go behind and push that? Oh! Uh-oh. What? Why did that happen? Whoa. Come on, fire. Oh, jeez. Ha! You killed my son, but not me. Why even keeps firing them? Son! No! Take him! Damn it, why did I... Oh, jeez. Oh. Okay, guys, I'm gonna end this episode here. So... please like, favorite, and subscribe to me. The screen will probably rotate now, won't it? Yeah, it probably did. Okay. So, goodbye.